These AI home renovation time-lapse videos are blowing up right now, and people are getting crazy views using just one simple method. So today, I'll show you exactly how to create these home renovation transformation videos with AI step by step. First, we need a house photo. Go to Pinterest, search luxury house, and pick any image you like. Download it. Now open Google Gemini, upload your house image here, then copy the prompt one from the document link in the description, paste it, and hit generate. Boom, your abandoned version of the house is ready. Save it. Now upload the abandoned version, paste prompt 2, and generate. Now you'll get the renovation mid-stage image. Save this too. Now it's time to turn these images into a satisfying video. Open Flow AI arrow, choose frames to video. For the first video, frame 1 equals abandoned house image. Frame 2 equals paintless/unfinished renovation image. Now paste prompt 3 from the doc and hit generate. Perfect. Your first transformation clip is ready. For the second video, frame 1 equals paintless/unfinished image. Frame 2 equals final luxury house image. Paste prompt 4 and hit generate. Now your final transformation clip is also ready. Download both videos. Now open your editing software, import both clips, add some quick cuts, smooth transitions, and background music. And here's your final viral renovation time-lapse result. If this helped you, like the video, and subscribe to Reavron for more viral AI tutorials.